Every year I look for these birds, but finding the first one, 26th of March today, and just hidden away in here is the very first song thrush nest. Absolutely beautiful. Exceptionally happy with that. We're going to get away in case the bird's around. But yeah, stunning, very happy, brilliant. Second songy, no eggs this time, but fresh, ready for them. Don't think there are many more well constructed nests than this one down here. That is a beautiful little wren's nest, just hidden there, unlined, so not ready for eggs just yet, but certainly one to keep an eye on. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Songy number 3, absolutely beautiful. This one, not quite sure how many she's on. She's on 4. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Beautiful nest. We'll get away, let her come back, but beautiful, number 3 for the season.